engineering, so I'll usually point to the pictures on that second slide and say who knows what this is, who knows what that is, etc, etc. Then I'll basically go through the slide, get students to read it out, or I'll read it out, and just make sure everyone's over the rules, and tell them the prizes. They're usually pretty interested in that and what's going to be happening over the next 2 weeks. There is a period where we actually do a test, so we only ever do one test and then the real thing after that. But I just usually tell them, you know, we're only going to do one actual test, and then we're going to get the results in, etc, etc. So I give them a little bit of a layout. Once you've done it once or twice, you'll sort of get the feel for exactly. Usually when I'm introducing, I do the introduction, the material testing and the design all in the same class. So we have 75-minute classes here, so we can get it all done. Usually I'm like, you know, trying to get it through quite quickly. So I'll just make sure everyone's on top of it and get into it. And those last slides where I talk about inspiration, I think that's important for students so they can kind of start somewhere. And they're all good ideas depending on whichever one they choose. So yeah, that's how I basically started. Yeah, if you have any questions, please email me and I'll update everything and send you an answer via email.